folks.
Okay.
All right. I can show my badass knife to cut the plastic there.
Yeah, I'm taking a lot more seriously after seeing the knife.
Very attractive packaging. Wow. Oh, of course.
Ooh, shiny.
Very nice.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. Kinda cool.
Mm-hmm.
A hunch my wife would probably be able to install this without any trouble.
One thing.
I, however.
Well, the videos do make it very, very nice. And this is an optional mounting kit. You can attach the base and connect the wires at the base, but everyone's wall is different, so we'll see if ours is. And a couple of other screws, I would imagine, that go with the optional mounting base. I do like the fact that they include a screwdriver.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, with all the appropriate, I mean, that's very useful. All right, well, W. Okay. Right. Oh, yes, I am right. Oh, awesome.
Perfect.
Yeah. Because I can do this. See? Mainly what I'm saying is, I don't know if this will work or not. We'll see. I guess that's secure. Okay. The W slides in here. Alright. So it's nice, satisfying click. Okay, press the line. Not sure.
Maybe you have to wait for it to boot up.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, there it goes. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, let's connect Nest to Wi-Fi. Connecting to the internet lets you adjust Nest remotely in real time. It also gives Nest access to weather information and automatic software
Oh,
updates.
nice. Oh,
Select
nice.
Connect.
So like it's going to be.
You'll see a list of local Wi-Fi networks.
Oh, wait. This is just too cool. All right.
You want a video of the cool part? What the heck's wrong with it? I need to leave in a moment.
All right.
Okay. Heating and cooling. Okay. electric. Forced air. Location.
That's crazy fun.
Wow, Homer business. Guess we name it Nest Temperature. What is the lowest temperature you like when you are away? Wow. I'm gonna. Why is my wife not here? Done. Oops.
You know, the fumbling with the screwdriver and so forth is going to be for the blooper reel. Oh, cool.
Settings. Heat, set to 68. Currently 74. Humidity. You can change the name.